Hi everyone, welcome to this recording. Today we're going to talk about what is a white label digital marketing agency. This video series is for owners of digital marketing agencies or anyone that is in a position to influence operational decisions, especially service delivery to your agency's clients. It's also for the person thinking about starting a digital marketing agency with the strength of a white label marketing agency behind them. By the end of this series, you'll have a clear understanding of what a white label marketing agency does, how they can help your marketing agency grow and scale, what type of services they can provide to your clients, when to consider partnering up with a white label marketing company so you can outsource some or all of your service fulfillment to them. I will also touch on when is the right time to make use of a white label agency and more. On the screen now is the outline for the top 10 FAQs. Let's dive in. By the way, if you are new to the channel, welcome to Projects and Pursuits, where we share, discuss, research, and review the best online businesses and side hustles for people with a 9-to-5 job and a bit of seed capital. Our mission is to help full-time 9-to-5ers, moms and dads, and anyone looking to thrive with a part-time side business and to sift through that garbage out there to find the treasures, the authentic, worthwhile courses, projects, and pursuits. What is a white label digital marketing agency? A white label digital marketing agency is a company that provides marketing services to the clients of other marketing agencies without the clients ever knowing that the white label company ever exists. One other thing to note, the clientele of white label agencies are other digital marketing agencies. Hiring a white label agency or company is often referred to as outsourcing too. For example, you are a digital marketing agency offering a range of services, and for whatever reason you are too busy to provide one of those services to your client. Therefore, you consider hiring a white label agency to provide that service to your client. The white label company will fulfill the service under your brand name. So, say you have a client named ABC Dog Washing Company, and they ask you to do a content marketing campaign and manage their social media accounts. Let's also say you're okay to do the content marketing campaign, but you do not have the capacity to manage their social media. You can outsource your client's social media account management to a white label marketing agency, and this outsourcing company will do it for your client under your brand name. Your client will not even know you're outsourcing to a white label agency. Win-win. What's next? In the next recording, I'll be going over the second frequently asked question in this series: why your agency should use a white label agency. Thanks for joining us. My name is Marcus, and I'll see you on the next video.